Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral of negative pi over 4 to negative pi over 6 of 2 cosine x dx, and we want to find the definite integral. Now, the integral of 2 cosine x is just a 2 sine of x. Pretty simple here. But we're integrating this from, using the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, and negative pi over 4 to negative pi over 6. And our rules tell us that that's going to be our f, capital F, our integral, of a negative pi over 6 minus capital F of a negative pi over 4. So let's go plug those values in. Negative pi over 6 in for x. So 2 times the sine of negative pi over 6 minus, same thing, 2 sine of a negative pi over 4. And sometimes, depending on the problem, I like to put little brackets around each part to kind of see that this is my f of b and this is my f of a. Well, 2 times the sine of negative pi over 6 comes out to be a negative 1. Subtracted by 2 times the sine of negative pi over 4 is a negative square root of 2. Now, we add a negative, right? It's kind of subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding. So we have a negative 1 plus the square root of 2 right there. And most places would be good with that, but if you want to write that as a decimal, it's approximately, just for you, 0.414. Okay? I prefer this form right here, negative 1 plus square root of 2. So our final answer here is a negative pi over 4 to negative pi over 6 of our function, the integral, is a negative 1 plus the square root of 2. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.